xLM is really paving the way for businesses to evolve into what they call frontier firms. Those organizations that harness immediate on-demand intelligence and dynamic human agent teams.
Absolutely, and it's pretty wild how they've designed these intelligent apps to close productivity gaps, especially in the pharma and biotech sectors.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you look at how 80% of the workforce feels overwhelmed, while 82% of leaders demand more efficiency. And xLM is like stepping in with platforms such as continuous environmental monitoring and predictive maintenance. These tools transform the process from reactive to proactive, creating self-optimizing ecosystems in real time.
Right. It's almost like they're giving companies a supercharged dashboard for navigating the complex demands of today's global standards.
For sure. And then there's the concept of human agent teams. xLM isn't just automating tasks, they're deploying digital colleagues that monitor operations, flag anomalies, and even handle triage autonomously. It's really taking things to the next level of collaboration.
But, don't you think relying so heavily on these digital colleagues might be a bit risky in such critical industries?
I see what you're saying, but the design is pretty robust. They ensure human oversight for all crucial decisions, which keeps the process safe and compliant. Plus, the system empowers every employee to become an agent boss by managing these AI tools for GXP-compliant tasks. That level of empowerment is like a game changer.
That's a good point. It transforms the workforce into a kind of integrated command center where human expertise and digital precision boost one another.
Exactly. It's like having a toolkit that keeps on upgrading itself. Each iteration making operations smarter and more agile. And in an industry that's as regulated and tough as pharmaceutical manufacturing, you need that continuous, intelligent optimization.
I get that, but still, isn't it a little too optimistic? Could this rapid scaling and continuous change eventually lead to operational turbulence?
That's a valid concern, but xLM counters that with self-optimization feedback loops. For instance, their continuous intelligent validation process validates software 10 times faster than typical methods, which really helps smooth out any bumps before they become issues.
So it's kind of like they're not just upgrading the system, they're upgrading the entire way of thinking about operations, turning challenges into opportunities for innovation.
Exactly. And the vision for 2025 is pretty clear. The divide between traditional firms and frontier firms will only widen. xLM's strategy isn't just about technology. It's about reimagining how companies operate, empowering teams, and enabling a new era of industrial evolution.
Wow, that truly is transformative. When you put it that way, xLM isn't just keeping up with trends. It's defining the future where intelligence meets industry and innovation is woven into every process.
Absolutely. If you're ready to build your frontier future, partnering with xLM might just be the blueprint to turn that vision into a reality.